Clustering is an instance of unsupervised learning, which we covered in a previous video. It is the task of grouping a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group, called a cluster, are more similar to each other than to those in other groups. In machine learning, we often group examples as a first step to understand a subject dataset in a machine learning system. Grouping unlabeled examples is called clustering. Before you can group similar examples together, you first need to find those similar examples. You can measure similarity between examples by combining the examples' feature data into a metric, called a similarity measure. Let's see a simple comparison example. Imagine you're in a supermarket in another country and see a food you've never seen before. The label is not in your language, but it's just between what seem to be apples and pears. You'll then assume it's a fruit, and probably similar to apples and pears even though you can't read the fruit label section in that unknown language. What you did is you made a cluster named fruits and you classified the unknown food to it. You used proximity and shape as input variables to deduce a common output with the apples and pears separating them from the rest of the food in the supermarket. In short, grouping unlabeled examples is called clustering. As the examples are unlabeled, clustering relies on unsupervised machine learning. If the examples are labeled, then clustering becomes classification. There are multiple clustering algorithms like k-means, mean shift, Gaussian mixture and much more. Subscribe to not miss any of these terms clearly explained.